Welcome to the Style That Binds Us show. Today we are going to make homemade ice cream sandwiches, and they're going to be 4th of July themed since 4th of July is right around the corner, right?
Yeah.
The number one thing to keep in mind when you make these ice cream sandwiches is to use the best ingredients that you can. If you have all the time in the world, make the cookies. Of course, we did not do that. There's a fabulous local cookie shop in Birmingham, Alabama. It's called Cookie Fix. So I ordered cookies from them. They need to be pretty good size. And then pick out whatever flavor ice cream you want on the inside. We decided that because of the red, white, and blue theme, it would be best to keep the ice cream just basic vanilla so that we would have that white rim. And then we're going to take the red, white, and blue sprinkles, just your basic sprinkles that you get at the grocery. We've put them on a plate, and you're going to roll the edges of the ice cream sandwich in the sprinkles. So you see how easy that is and how much fun you can imagine that the kids would really have fun doing this too. So you want to make one?
Yes, and super delicious.
Oh, beyond.
Okay, so we're starting with 2 chocolate chip artisanal cookies supporting local small business. And we're going to go over here and we're going to get the scooper. Now this is gelato, so it's much better I think if you get actually ice cream.
It's really, really, really soft.
So you want to make sure that it's not too hard and not too soft. So there's going to be an art to that you're going to have to figure out because we did not.
And really, like 1 scoop is enough, a good big scoop, because you want it to be able to come out outside of the cookie just enough so that you can roll it if you want to roll it in sprinkles. Because if not, you know, you can't get the sprinkles on there. So.
Okay, so this is what I've done so far, and then now, as you can see, we put the red, white, and blue sprinkles on a plate, and now I'm going to go all around, and we're going to have it like that. And that's it. Literally less than how many? 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks great. Okay, let's each make our own real quick.
Okay.
You want to put that one right there?
Yes, so parchment paper is going to be the answer. If you don't want to eat it immediately, you can roll... Uh-oh, that cookie, that slid off. Anyway, you can put the ice cream sandwich in parchment paper and put it in the freezer if you want to save it for later.
And you're going to have to work quick because you are dealing with ice cream. All right, you want to make yours real quick?
Okay, baby. I don't want to get in front of you.
No, you're not. We'll have to fix that one up.
Aww.
So cute, so festive.
It became the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
And especially, you know, if you're home this 4th of July and you're usually not, this is something that you can do. It'll be messy. Let them be in their bathing suits and you can just hose them down afterwards. Okay, we have to take a bite really quickly because it is melting, melting, melting.
Oh, baby, I did a terrible job.
We know you're going to do a better job than this because you're going to get ice cream that isn't quite so soft. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh,
You're...
What?
You can move over a little bit.
Messy, but fabulous. Maybe eat it outside. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Happy 4th.
Thank you for tuning into the Style That Binds Us show. If you like what you saw, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like our video, make comments, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Okay.